Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today I have brought you an important logo design. Now I will show you how to create this design. You must watch the entire video carefully. First of all, line tool use. Just line tool and now select this line tool and stroke open and color back. Stroke size just 18 and uniform. Okay, now stroke select and caps corner and dashed line tick mark 0 pt and 20 pt. Okay, now same line copy, just one copy. Now go to edit, copy and paste in font. Okay, shift two lines, click. Okay, and object, click object with blend with blend option. Okay, now specific steps, clicks and 13 lines. Okay, now go to object with blend with make. Now this looking 13 lines create. Now the 13 lines we have created are very nice. Okay, we will now design them as symbols. Let's move to our next steps. Thank you very much. Now select and object থেকে object with expands appearance. Okay, and select these symbols. Okay, new symbols name 3. Okay, and delete this. Now ellipse tool use. Shift press and font color off and stroke color open. Direct selection tool use. Select this and delete. Select an effect after 3D. Now 3D with revolved. Okay, now main theme and seriously looking map art with invisible geometry. Main theme none alts symbol, new symbol 3. Now create. Okay, and preview. Just creativity looking this side. Okay, Okay, main design, themes, and start out our illustrator's half line. Okay, now extra illustrator set, delete this. Main design theme. Okay, now we are going to main 3D design or logo design is color. Use, choose color and gradients. Alright, gradient color use. Okay, okay, rate opacity just 16 or color just select this, opacity just 16. Now new color apply. I'm going to new color apply and gradients window and sample library. Now looking